fish.
Boy and girl are catching fish. Nice job.
Dolphin is jumping in the water.
Dolphin is jumping in the water.
What's his name?
His name is Ralph.
No.
What's he doing?
Hold on.
You can do it. Just look at the picture. What's he doing? You don't need to tell me the words. Just tell me about the picture.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Turn my coat off.
Yeah, take your coat off. Thank you.
No.
What do you think? What's he doing?
No. 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 I can't.
Don't get mad. Don't get mad. So dramatic. Calm down. Calm down. You can do it.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You just did all the other cards for me. You did all of these cards for me. You can do that.
No.
That's Ralph. What's Ralph doing?
At night.
What's in the bowl?
I'm on here.
You know what's in there. What's in there? What are those 4 things?
Fish.
Mm-hmm. And what's he doing with the fish?
Fish food.
Yeah. So Ralph is giving the fish food.
Don't forget me fish food.
Yeah. See, you could do it. You knew.